Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about my first drongo, that is Endemic. The Sri Lanka Drongo. The Sri Lanka Drongo or Ceylon Crested Drongo is a species of bird in the family Dicruridae. Large, upright, blackish bird with a long and tuft of feathers on the forehead, tail shape and an important feature, deeply forked with a curled up tip to the other tail feathers unlike other drongos. The Sri Lanka Drongo is an endemic species to Sri Lanka. Typically found in pairs, it can be found in forests, in wet lowlands, present in rainforests, pockets like Bodhinagala. They sound like I got a fun fact about drongos. Did you know that drongos imitate other birds' calls? In fact, the birds might get confused or angry. Named Sri Lanka, Silu, Maha, Kauda or Konda kauda. It was also featured in the 35 rupee postal stamp in Sri Lanka. I have not seen a Sri Lanka Drongo even though I have been to the Singharaja rainforest. I would like to know if you have seen a Sri Lanka Drongo. If you have, please let me know in the comments.